Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the right account. Sign into the adult or owner profile on the Xbox 360. Make sure you have the family settings passcode. If you don't, prepare the Microsoft account credentials that manage the console. Once signed in, navigate to the system blade immediately and open console settings. This gets you into the menus where parental controls live. Don't waste time toggling unrelated menus. Focus on the owner account, so changes carry to all profiles on this console. Once in console settings, choose family settings, then parental controls or access restrictions. This is where rating limits, content blocks, and passcodes are set. Select the setting you want to change, and when prompted, enter the existing passcode. This verifies you're authorized. After unlocking, change the rating limits to allow all or select remove passcode if available. If you're adjusting per profile restrictions, make sure to repeat for each profile so kids can access games and apps immediately after changes. To finish, choose remove passcode or set restrictions to none and confirm the change. The Xbox will save this immediately. Restart the console to ensure the new permissions apply to every profile and test by signing into a child profile and launching content that was previously blocked. If you can't remember the passcode, use the Microsoft account that manages the console to recover or reset it, or perform a password recovery through account. Microsoft.com. That recovery step fixes most locked-out situations quickly.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.